Okay, so now we're back in Bali. It's 2026. That's the first time I've said that. So it's just been about test knitting and pattern writing so far this week. But I'm really excited to just be back here and working possibly again with my factory. It is so humid outside that my camera lens keeps fogging up. So hopefully I can record this. But I'm just working on a new project this morning. It's Tuesday before Christmas. But I'm working for making a New Year's crown. So I'm just trying to figure out a crochet pattern to make for the crown because I thought that'd be fun for New Year's celebration and to share that project with my subscribers. And I've also been thinking while I am working on this crown about sharing my information I have on how to be a wholesale and retail knit designer for a clothing brand, because for the last 15 years I had a clothing brand, Knitty Kitty, which some of you might know, where I designed knit clothing for women, in particular loungewear, and I started with knit underwear of all things, but it took off. I had it in stores like Free People and Urban Outfitters, as well as some other fun department stores and online stores like Dolls Kill. Loved having them. And I stopped doing it soon after COVID, and I can go into details about why it stopped and changes that occurred because of COVID. But I'm just curious if you'd be interested in knowing how to create a clothing brand of your own as a knit designer or crochet designer, and the processes I took here in Indonesia, in particular Bali. And I held that information closely as a brand designer because I didn't want to give it out to everybody, but now that I'm no longer a clothing brand, I feel like it'd be nice to share it. So I'm just curious if you are interested in learning how to import, work with factories overseas, and how the process all works. So comment in the comment section below and let me know if you're interested, and I might do some playlists to give you all the information you would need to become a clothing brand yourself overseas. So that was my thought for today. But then I'll continue to make my crochet crown, and I'll show you the progress on that when I finish it. It is Sunday, I don't know, a week before Christmas, and it's finally stopped raining in Lombok, so I got to spend the morning at the beach, which was really nice. And I brought my knitting there and just did a little bit of knitting. I'm just starting to test knit my cable braid diaper cover, so I've just started some of the waistband, which is very mindless. But it got so hot at the beach that I just kept swimming more than knitting. And now I'm back at my villa, and I'm just going over what I finished this week, which was I finished a baby top. I made a cute little embellishment where this was a simple garter stitch top, and then I added a single chain trim around the neck and the sleeves. And then I did a garter stitch heart applique, and I just added that to the top. So I then wrote out this pattern. I just finished writing it out just this afternoon. So I will test knit that next as well. So it's just been about test knitting and pattern writing so far this week. So it is the Sunday after New Year's. I'm not sure what the date is, but I haven't been on vlogging like I intended, just because I've been sick. I'm sick from water illness or food poisoning, I'm not sure which, but I'm on the mend. and we have left Lombok and we're back on the island of Bali. I have this villa I got to show you, the view. This is, I don't know if you can see this, I'm hoping you can, but I've got a nice rice paddy right in my yard. So I have been working on some projects. I don't have props for it yet. I'm gonna show you just a second here. While I was sick, I worked on some coffee cozies, but the cool thing is, and I'm hoping you can see this, is I've added a little handlebar to add on to the cozy. So I'll show this as a pattern soon, like this week. It's going to be a free pattern. This one is just a thumb holder so that when you have your cup cozy, you can just hold the thumb. And I thought this was good for, like, I got inspired because we've been walking on the beach with our cup of coffee. And so I was like, that's a nice, easy way to hold your cup of coffee, and it just seemed more logical than just the cup cozy itself. So I will get props for this and show what it looks like in a pattern that'll be available probably by next week on YouTube. And I'm gonna try and do a YouTube live tutorial for the cup cozy too. Here's just another version that I'm working on right now. So I just wanted to update you on that. Okay, and then I think the lighting's better this way. So I'm still on the Sunday vlog, but I wanted to update you on Bali and what I'm gonna do here while I try and work on finishing my cup cozy. So I'm so excited to be back in Bali because this is where I had a clothing factory for the last almost 15 years for Knitty Kitty, my clothing brand. It was a women's knit line. And just being back here has really inspired me to start up some importing again and manufacturing of knitwear, but I'm going to take a different route this time. I'm going to try and work with my same factory, which is a knit and crochet factory, and I'm not going to say yet what I'm doing because it's not done till it's done, and I'm afraid I'll jinx it if I talk about it too much ahead of time. But I have some ideas to, it'll pertain with my pattern store, but I'm really excited to just be back here and working possibly again with my factory, who I missed working with my team, and so I'm hoping to work with them again. I really loved working with the knitting factory, with my photo team, with my graphic artist who would put together my lookbooks and all. So I have a few plans for 2026, and if I can get it going again, then it'll allow me to come back to Bali for work on a regular basis. Okay, so now we're back in Bali. It's 2026. That's the first time I've said that. 2026. And I'm gonna try it again because I really love doing the production here in Bali and being able to live here at the same time. I love having the lifestyle here of I'm able to run, surf, do all my beauty spas, which I haven't done yet and I'm looking forward to. And then just the lifestyle here suits me well. Bali is not for everybody, that's for sure. It's a little bit gritty, but also very high end. It could be both. But it's intense either way, and not every traveler can handle that. So if you're thinking of coming to Bali, It's not easy for everyone, and just keep that in mind. But, whoops, a huge dragonfly just almost flew in my face. It's because I have the door open and you're not supposed to, because all the bugs will come in. Anyway, so stay tuned. Soon I'll be giving a tour of my factory of where I work once I settle that in. But this is what I've got so far. So thanks for staying with me and watching through the end. I really appreciate it. And stay tuned for the cup cozy pattern, because that'll be available for free on YouTube and also on my website, thek4project.com. So till next time, bye.